So what really happens to your credit dispute letter? Let's take a peek inside the machine.
Okay, so you poured your heart into that dispute letter, but did anyone even actually read it? Most of us think we're starting a conversation. We're really just feeding a machine. And that machine has a name, Oscar. Yeah, the boroughs built it to handle millions of disputes. Here's the wild part. Your whole story, all that detail, it gets squashed into a 3-digit code. Poof, your story is just gone. The system only sees that code. It doesn't see you.
Because this machine doesn't understand your situation. It only understands one thing: legal risk.
Low-risk codes get a quick glance, but high-risk ones, those can trigger a much deeper review. And these are the big red flags. Things like police reports or identity theft claims demand attention. So you think sending the same letter to all 3 bureaus means you get one single answer, right? Nope, not even close. This is where it gets really frustrating. Check this out. I mean, look at this. The exact same letter got 3 totally different results. How? Right? How can this possibly happen? Well, the answer is kind of maddeningly simple. It's because 3 different humans read your letter, and they all picked a different code. And get this, the creditor never even sees your letter. They're just responding to that code.
So what do? How do you get the system to actually listen to you?
If the first try fails, you gotta escalate. These steps force an actual human to get involved. Listen, there are no magic words. You win when the other side just can't prove its case.
Once you understand how the machine works, you're not a victim anymore. You're in control.